Hello, Julie. Juhi. Okay, you were absent on Friday. Yeah, I must. I know you were absent on Friday, but probably on Saturday, Sunday you were there with Mr. Yusuf. Yeah, on Saturday, Sunday. Like your sessions are Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? Okay. What is this? For I engage. Okay, submit. Oh, the homework for the Friday one, or is this from the Sunday class? Okay, from the Friday class. Okay, okay, got it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 lines of one, right? You have to finish the thing in 8 lines. Okay, okay, got it. Yeah, right now, currently, we are working on the level number 26, and it's quite tough, I must say. Okay, so students are joining now. How was your classes? Like, have you learned anything new on Saturday, Sunday? New challenge, new puzzles you had solved on Saturday and Sunday? A is equals to 1. Okay. B is equals to 1. Which one is this? Variables. Yeah, we had discussed about variables on Friday. Yeah, you missed it, I think so. So yeah, that's why that was new for you. Correct, correct. So we had learned about the increment statement as well, how we can increase the thing and everything, like how to increase the variable value, how to use the variables in this thing in a for loop as well. It's 6:03 right now, so we'll wait just 2 more minutes. Like as of now, only 4 participants are here. So let's other also to join the session. Yeah, sure, Johi. Like while explaining, I'll explain it again. Not an issue. Okay, we'll go again. Abhigyan also here. Akshat, it's your choice. If you keep the camera on, that is also good. If you are hesitating or something like you don't want to keep, not an issue. But to make this session more interactive, it's a good practice to keep the camera on. Okay, Akshat? Good. Thank you. Mm. Okay, in the meantime, learners, quickly, all of you, log in into your account quickly and open your start learning option where we would be solving some puzzles today. So in the last class with Mr. Yusuf, we all had completed your puzzle number 26, I believe, and today we are continuing. We have to continue from 27. So any question, any doubt till 26 level? Mm-hmm. Yes or no? Oh, the numbers are really low today. Like I can see only 6 participants. What's wrong? Okay, let's start with the session. Am I audible for you all? Yes? Okay, thank you for your response. I'm sharing my screen. Do let me know once it is visible for you. Is this visible for you all? Mhm. I'll keep chat box also open. So in the last class, I believe you all had completed level number 26 with Mr. Yusuf, right? So any question on this level? You can put your comments in the chat. No? Okay. So yeah, let's go ahead then. So here is a second level, which is level number 37. You all can start working on it. You have to use for loop again over here. Try to solve it. Let's see who will finish this first. And if you won't be able to solve it, then I'll explain. Okay? Is it fine for everyone? You can put your logic over here. Yes, Akshay. Now you can stop playing with the background. You can start working on it. I can see you over here. Yeah. Samvedna, Soumya, and Juhi, everyone. Abhigyan. Quickly start solving this puzzle and let's see who will answer it first. Oh, I got one. Actually, electricity was gone. Oh. I thought you are changing the background. Okay, got it. Okay. So what will be the logic over here? It is very simple and easy. Let me just tell. At the first time, they will move one step. One step. Then it needs to take a turn to the left turn, and then one step. Okay. So one step, left turn, one step. Is this clear till here? My Dave is here and facing in this direction. Now, again, it will take right this time. Okay, it needs to take a right turn. So right, then two steps. Steps are increasing now. It is no more one, it is two now. Correct? Two steps. Then again, it will turn to the left and then two steps. Then again, it will turn to the right. And this time it is 1, 2, 3 steps. Then left would be 3 again. So you have to solve this one using your for loop. You have to start from one step left, one step right. Two steps left, two steps right, three steps left, and then three steps right. It could be there, then also it's fine, not an issue. So how you will do this thing where your variable is always changing. It is not constant. We had solved some puzzles where your variable is constant all the time, right? But here it just keeps on changing and the number is by one. Okay, I got an answer from Abhigyan. Okay, and it seems good. So what he did over here to solve this one, as I said, yeah. So he created one variable over here and name it as A. A is equals to 1. Initially it is 1 because we want initially one step. So one step left, one step right. Perfect. We are done till here. Then I want two steps. So that's why what he did, he said A is equals to A plus 1. It means what? We are increasing our A value by 1. So now my A is 2. Okay. It changes to 2. Then again it will go up and it's still in the range because I had just run my loop once. It needs to be run thrice, right? So it's still in the loop. So it says, okay, now they will move step by A. Now A value is how much? 2, correct? So A is 2. So now it will go 2 steps left, 2 steps right, 2 steps left, 2 steps right. We are done till here now. Then again, here is a formula which says my A value needs to be increased by 1. That is your 3 now. My A will become 3 now. Okay, in the third loop. Then they will move 3 steps forward, then left is there, then forward and left. So this logic is absolutely perfect. So here you're using instead of placing the value like 1, 2, you're using the variable name, the a variable, as well as you are increasing it over here also. This is known as increment statement. Got it? Any question, any doubt so far? Yes or no? Sundaram, Hussain, Soumya, Akshit, no doubt? Okay. Juhi, okay, no doubt? Okay. So yeah, if I run this project, let's see how it is working for us. I'll hit the run button like this. And yeah, I got 3 stars. I had walked only 18 steps and I took only 7 lines out of 8. So that's why I got all 3 stars over here. Now the next one, I challenge you, it's a most difficult one. It's a difficult one. Let's see who will be able to solve this one. Okay, Chinmay is here. This one is your level number 28. Oh, sorry, 20. Yeah, 28. This one is level number 28. Who will solve this one? Hussain, Juhi Abhigyan, Sundaram Vaibhav, Chinmay, Akshit Samvedna. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I already got. Okay, Sundaram. This one is shared by Sundaram. Okay, let's see. On which level you are, Sundaram, right now? You had already completed these levels? So how is this working? This one is shared by Sundaram, right? Okay. So how is this working? According to Sundaram, he started with a is equals to 1, then said Dave step A, that is 1 step forward, then right, then 1 step forward, then left, and then he changed the A value by 1, which means this time my Dave will go 2 steps forward. So again it will go here, then 2 steps forward, right, 2 steps forward, okay. Then it says left from here, okay, and then again 2 steps forward. Good, good. From here he said 2 steps backward. Okay. Chinmay, is this working for you? Oh, sorry, this is not from Chinmay. This one is from Sundaram. Let's check it first. Is this working or not? Oh, 3 out of 3 stars also you got, and less number of this thing. But over here it is going backward as well. At which point is moving back backward? Let's just check it. Just keep it here like this and run it forward. Yeah. Okay. So it's still facing in the front position. That's why he added -2. Okay. Okay. Got it. So that's why he added over here -2, because your Dave is facing in this side. So negative will make it move back, right? So it will come here back, -2, then right 3 steps, then left 3 steps. Okay. Got it. Can you solve this thing with any other, is there any other way to solve this thing? Or this is the only thing which you can do over here? There would be any other way for sure, because if you just go through the instructions written over here, it says in the program you can use more than one variable block. It means you have to use one then more variable, but we are using as such only A over here. But we must ensure that their names are different. We have to use two different variables over here. So turn right, step 3, turn left, step 3. Okay, okay, okay. So after this left, taking the left, it will stop over here. Then it can't go back again. Any other solution for the same problem? Anyone else? Soumya, Juhi, we have around 11 participants over here, excluding me. It's 10, and only one is answering. So is this like no one is getting how to solve it, or what? What an issue with you all? Tell me. Mm-hmm. Yeah, ma'am, I did the same way. Juhi also solved this thing in the same way. Okay. What about others? Are you all not getting only this thing, or what? Okay, let's do one thing. Now you have to solve it. And if you are able to solve this thing, then you would be sharing your screen and you have to explain your thing. Let's do like this to make it more interesting classes. I don't want only single person or only one or two person to answer the question. I want you all to try it out. So the next level is year 29. So let's go ahead for level 29. And yeah, here it is easier, like it is more easy. It is not that much difficult. Mm, but your Dave is facing some other direction. Miss, I am trying to solve only. Okay, Hussein. Whoever is done with this, rather than putting your answer in the chat, you can just type done in the chat box. I'll allow you to share your screen. I'll give access to you, and then you can share your screen. Okay? If you're getting stuck or if you're not getting how to solve it, then also it's fine. Ask me. Ask me the question. Okay, I'll help you out. Look, what is here right now? As of my Dave is facing in this direction, right? It needs to first take which turn? Mm-hmm. Okay, Juhi shared the answer of the last one. Okay, perfect. Yeah, Sundaram said it needs to take right turn. Absolutely perfect. So I would be putting Dave and then right turn. Then what would be the next? After taking a right turn, what it should be? Tell me now. Let's solve together. Mm-hmm. After taking right turn, what should I do? My Dave needs to move forward by one step, right? Let's solve it like normal way, and then we will do it in form. Okay. Then what it will do? Tell me. Okay, Vishwajit is on level 30. Okay, so you can show me the output for this thing. I can give you access if you have this one. Then it will take a left turn. Then are you sure, Sundaram? Like it should take a left turn. Let's try it out. I'll run it. No, Left is not correct. Left is other way. So let's try it again. We have to take a right turn actually again. But this time it will go 1-2 steps forward. So if you have noticed this thing over here, your steps are increasing by 1 number every time. Let's step 2 this time. Got it? Then again it will take a turn to the right. No, this time it will take a turn to the left. And then they will step 2. Let's see. I'm not getting any response now. Okay, fine. I think so. You all are also busy. Try it quickly. Try it on your own also as well. And then you can share it. Once you are done with using for loop, you can share your screen and you can show it to me as well. And I'll allow you to unmute yourself. And you can explain how the things are working. Got it? So it needs to take a right turn now. So they will take a right turn. After that, here is a challenging one where it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Dave has to move 4 steps forward. After 1, there is 2, then directly 4. What's the logic over here? Then again, it will be taking a turn. Okay, it's a big one. It would be taking my left turn, right? And then it will go for 1, 2, 3. Only 3 steps forward. Here it is 4. Here again, they will move 3 steps. It's look like it's a complicated one. Then right again. Okay, I got one answer from, this one is from Hussein. Okay. Is your code is working, Hussein? Okay, you took an extra step, but is it working? Okay. Okay, only one extra step. Okay, for I Indian. Okay. Got it. Okay, so why don't you share your screen and show it to us? I'm making your presenter. Okay. Yes, Hussein, share your screen and show your project and explain your things also. You can unmute yourself. You are on mute if you are explaining because you are not audible for me. Okay. 25 steps. Okay, steps are more, lines are correct. Okay. Go to replay it, pressing the purple one. Okay, explain it now. Unmute yourself and explain it. It's audible for everyone. You can. Okay. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Now try. This is level number 29.
Yes, miss. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay, miss. Basically, first I've set two variables, a equal 1 and b equal 2. Then I've set outside the for loop a dev dot turn right.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because he's facing the wrong way. Then I put a for loop for I in range with 3.
Mm-hmm.
It should repeat 3 times.
Uh-huh.
Then I've just put everything that should come in the for loop, like dev stop A and all that.
Okay, so for the right turn, you are taking A value variable, and for the left turn, you are taking B value, isn't it? Like
Miss, I did not get you. What do you mean? I took the B variable?
like A variable is there for every right turn, right? Before right turn, whatever the steps are there, you are taking A variable for it. Like only
Yes.
one step is there after right. So that's your
Yes.
A. And after left turn, there are 2 steps. So that's why it is B, right?
Yes.
Like this usually. Okay, okay, got your point. Then my A again, here it was 1. So 1A was there and B was 2 over here. This is your B. B was 2. Then A will change to 2 and 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. Okay. B will change to 4. Okay. So B is changing by 2, right? The difference between them is 2 and the difference between these is 1. Absolutely perfect. Then 1, 2, 3. Here you are getting 3. Again, the difference is of 1 only. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you have 6. So the difference is of 6. Perfect, perfect. I think so. Can you just delete line number 12, the space which you have at line number 12? Run it. The logic is absolutely correct over here. Any question, any doubt with this one?
No, miss.
Okay, still you are getting 25. I'm getting confused. Ma'am, which level? Ma'am didn't understand. Okay, I'm getting confused. Okay, fine, not an issue. Okay, Hussein, you can stop sharing your screen. Let me share mine. Very well done. You had tried it really well and it is working. Good. Nice. Okay. Uh, as my screen is visible for everyone.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So what is happening over here? Like, let me just copy the. Okay. Very simple over here. Like, it is obvious thing. Like the first step here at the very first time, my Dev needs to move one step forward. Correct. Then here it is. Let me use different color pens. So that the W will have the okay. I would be using, okay. Here is one step, okay, and then here it is 2 steps. Then after reaching here, it will take a right turn, then 2 steps here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 steps here. Then 1, 2, 3 steps here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps here. Is this thing is clear for everyone? Yes, right. So if you have noticed the pattern over here, this value is changing by 1 all the time. 1 plus 1 would be 2, 2 plus 1 would be 3. The change, the increment is of 1 plus 1 all the time, right? And here, these values are changing by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, right? So for this, what you can do over here, you can save these value which is changing by 1 in single variable like in A, okay, and these value which is changing by 2, you can put these value in B variable. Got it? Even right now before this, before the right, let's, yeah, I think so I can solve it using less number of steps. Let's see. Okay. So first, right now my Dev is facing in this direction. It's supposed to take a turn on right. Correct? Right turn needs to be there. Right turn and then 1. Right. So if I'll keep here. Yeah, okay, got it. A is equals to 1. You can see A is 1 over here. Then B starting from 2, right? A would be starting from 1, B would be starting from 2. Then we would be taking, first we have to make it turn to the right. So they will turn right. So now it is facing in the correct direction, isn't it? Then we can take a for loop and we can just take it 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We can repeat it for 3 times. Done. After taking a right turn, it needs to go forward. Forward for how many steps? 1 step. So means a variable we have to use, right? So move forward. They will move forward for a variable. That is a. Correct? Then it would be taking a turn to right again. So they will turn to right. After taking a turn to right, it needs to go forward for 1, 2 steps. It means this time we have to use variable B. We can't use variable A over here. We have to use variable B because it's 2 steps now. So their step would be 2. Correct? Once it reaches to here, it needs to take a turn of left so that it will face this direction. So they will turn left now. Okay. After this, I have to use a value, right? It means again this block will come, then right, then over here I supposed to add b. I had added b over there. Sorry. Yeah, the same thing get repeated again and again. A right, B left. A right, B left. Ma'am, instead of 2, you can use B, right? Yeah, that is what I did. Correct. Because B is already 2. But in the next time, once it's starting again, like from here, it needs to go 2 for A, not 1 for A. So A is changing by 1. So I'm putting A is equals to A plus 1. Correct? And B needs to change by B is equals to B plus 2. Why? Because if you have noticed over here, 2, 4, 6. So that's why B needs to change by 2. And A needs to change by 1 because here it is increasing by 1, 1, 2, and 3. And all the time turns are same, like turn right, turn left, turn right, turn left. It would be like this one. Got it? So now I'm clearing all the things. Okay. And if I run this thing, this is what I'm getting. Got it, right? But it says my Dev moved 25 steps. It needs to move only 24. So, okay, what we can do over here, we can, the first one is what Dave needs to take a turn right. So we can skip this thing. I'm just trying something. Okay, it will take a turn right and it has to go forward by 1. That is your step by. They need to take a step by A. Correct? Turn right A. Then again it needs to take a turn right only. Okay. If it will take a turn left. What I thought over here we can do, like we can start with step B as a 0, then take a turn left. Okay, so it will be this direction then. Okay, then it won't be able to do it. Yeah, we have to put it. Anyone else tried this thing? But turn right. This is extra step for sure. Because of this only we are getting. Any other idea for this? Like how we can do it? Mm-hmm. Can't bring 3 star. Okay. Not possible. No, it won't be. It is not like not possible to get 3 star. There would be some way. You have to think about some logic. Ma'am, give as homework. Right now, you won't be able to solve it. Like you want it as a homework only. It is possible. It is possible. What we can do over here first, if I'm taking right turn, okay, Mishtam, okay, scratch your brains quickly. Try something. Mm, right, left, yeah. But if I start from left first, okay, left would be negative, and then one revision question paper. Sundaram, this is your revision only. Like I'm all the time ask you to solve it on your own. So we are practicing over here only. Okay, there is no any as such question paper or something. Okay, Sundaram, and even I don't know what like anything will become like anything could like would be there in your finals like anyone like a variable use of for loop use of variable and which kind of question will come? These are the types of question only which you will get. These kind of puzzles only would be there. You have to solve these kind of puzzles only. Nothing new. Okay. 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 So, okay, for now, let's go ahead for level number 30. But I want you all to try at least one. I believe so. If you will start B from zero, okay, B from zero, then you can do something. Like first take a turn left. No, first B step, then turn left, and then you can take a step A and then turn right. Just try to look this problem in different way. Just change your perspective. You would be end up with getting this getting the answer. It is not possible like all the time. We have to start from right. Try to start from turn left. It will work. Okay, so yeah, you can try this level as your homework. This one is level number 29, and you have to try to solve this puzzle using less number of steps. That is one less step, and that is they've turned right only. That is the only step which is extra. Oh wow. Okay. So anyone who had tried this level, the 31, I think so. Someone was there. Like someone told me I'm on 30. Yeah, Vishwajit, ma'am, I'm in level 30, you told me, right? Okay. So have you solved this thing? Try, you will get an opportunity to share your screen and show it to us. It is easy, I believe. One, two, three, four. Four forward. Okay. Then one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight forward. Then 16 backward would be there. Then again 8 backward. Then forward. Or is how you can do it. There are multiple ways to solve this one. Okay, Vishwajit, you said okay, you are done. Do you want to share your screen and show it to us, like how you had solved this puzzle, Vishwajit? Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. I'll give you access then. Mm. Yes, you can try to share your screen. Yeah, I gave you access, which you did. Yeah, you can unmute yourself as well. But your screen is blank for us. Yeah. Oh my God. Are you getting 3 points, 3 stars with it? Like there is no any for loop. Without using for loop, you have solved this puzzle. Okay, run it. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, run it.
Uh, Run.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, I'm clicking on run.
Can you just okay? There is an error at line number 4. At line number 4, you said Dave dot turns it. D is small over there. So Dave dot turns it. Perfect. Okay, okay. We're starting from this. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh,
Oh,
the last turn was wrong. Anyone else who had done it? Hussein, and other students like Juhi. Okay, Hussein is solving this thing. Okay, good. Yes, you can do one thing, Vishwajit. You can share your project, the program with me. I will do it on mine. Okay, so I would be able to do it.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah, just copy it and paste it. Okay, you can stop showing this thing now. Let me share mine.
Ma'am, I can stop sharing.
Yeah, you can stop sharing this. Okay. Abhigyan, I'm not getting any answer from you after the first one. Akshat, Vaibhav, we all are silenced today. Like, are you facing this thing like it's just too difficult? I don't think so. It is that much difficult. Okay, Akshat is also solving. Okay. But what is the logic over here? Let's try to build one logic. Uh, Vishwajit, just put your code in the chat box. I will debug it over here. Just put it in the chat. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It started from here, then -2, -2, -2, -2. Okay. 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. 12 minus 2 will also work, and 4 plus 2 will also work. Okay. So let's start like A is equals to 12. Then you would be adding for loop 1, 2, 3, 4. It needs to run 4 times. Dave stepped for how many times? 12, like A. And obviously, A is equals to A minus 2. This is for the straight. After this, it needs to come back. Mhm. Yes, Chinmay. Or else you can go to the simple one like A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Then you can take a turn right over there. They will take a turn right. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 steps. They need to go for 8 steps over here. That is B. Let's keep the B as 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 16. We can do one thing over here. Dave dot stack, and over here I'm putting negative B into 2. Or else you can just simply write C is equals to B into 2. Negative C steps. It will be here. Then again negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative B. Dave step and negative B. Is anyone is getting over here what I'm doing? Ma'am, I had done it. Okay. Abhigyan. Okay, I think so. You had also used this. Vaibhav is also done and Abhigyan is also done. I think so. Vaibhav used, Abhigyan used the same logic which I had used, like negative 2 into B. Other things are working. Okay. Hussein is also done. Let me just go one by one. Okay. The first one is from Vaibhav. It is minus 16, 1. You had not added any increment or decrement statement. How it will work for you? Yeah, it won't work for you above because there is no any increment or I'm so close to solve. Okay, then in your project Weber, yeah, there is. Wait, let me just copy it properly. Perfect. So how it is working? 4 and then A step forward, B step backward, negative 16. Okay. Then C is equals to 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. Forward, backward. Okay. Okay. 104 steps. Okay, nice try. Well done. Logic is perfect. It is working. Let's see. Is there anyone else? Like I can see over here Abhigyan, the thing which Abhigyan is used. Yeah, for Rebel it is 2-star. I think so Abhigyan's will work because he used the formula over here rather than going for the different variable. Negative B into C. That would be the formula, right? Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 100 out of 100. Okay, less number of line as well, and then 3 out of 3. Well done, Abhigyan. Well done, Weber. You both did it really well. You had tried it. Good. Now, let me just explain it. This is what I was trying. Negative B into C. This is a formula. And why it is negative B into C? It's a very simple thing. first step is what we said. They need to move 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will reach here. Reach here. That's it. Then it will take a left turn this side. It needs to move only 8 steps. So that's why your B value is 8 and it will take these steps, like steps forward. But to get this last one, it has to cover this 8 step in backward and plus 8 step. So 8 plus 8 would be 16. So that's why it is 2 into B, 8 to the 16. And I want my days to go backward. That's why it is negative 2 into B. Are you getting this thing? Why it is negative 2 into B? This is because my Dev needs to go backward. That's why it is negative 2. Why 2? Because 2 times of B. If my B is 8 over here, so it will go 8 backward and then plus more 8 backward to get this one. So that's why 2 times of B, whatever the B value is there. Then again B steps. Why again B step forward? This time it is positive. Why forward? So that it will come back to the center over here where it started. Then it will take a turn right. So it will be facing this side now. Then 2 steps. 1, 2 steps. Now here the V value will be changed by negative 2. So negative 2 will be how much? 6, right? It started from 8, then 6. So 6 steps forward, then 6 to the 12 steps backward. Then again 6 forward, then 2 forward. 4 forward, 8 backward, 4 forward, turn. 2 forward, 2 backward, 2 backs forward, then last 2 forward. It's a little tricky. Why? Because you have to use this formula and it is very common in Python. Whenever you're dealing with these kind of situation, you have to use these kind of formulas to solve the problems. So you should know how to create a formulas and all. Okay, are you getting my point? Any question, any doubt at this point? No, yes, no. How the formula came, how it is working. Vaibhav, Hussain, Akshat, Chinmay, Juhi. Okay, I got few responses over here. Yes, Hussain, you said yes. Okay, you are solving your own code. Good. Try to use this kind of formula. It will work for you as well. So as of now, this is the very first time where you had used some kind of formula to solve the puzzle, but going forward, it would be really like handy for you. You have to here and there, you have to start creating your own formula. Okay. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'll just run it and I'll go ahead then. I'll just make it to move faster. Backward, forward, forward, backward, forward, forward, backward, forward, forward, backward, forward. Okay. Good. Okay. So the next one is like this is probably the new level, like where you have energy crisis. So you have to be careful with it. Wisely, you have to use your energies in moving forward. Collecting scattered items consume a lot of our energy, so we need to collect additional energy from the space and the supplement. So here is your energy bar now. Flyer represents a group or a list of flying boards. Okay, so this is a flyer variable which shows list of it. How many flying boards do you have? Beginning with the number 0, the first is your number 0. The number of an element in a list is also called the index element in the list. Yeah. So like whenever we go out today, like in this whole unit, you would be learning about list. So what is list first of all? Any idea what is list in Python? Yes, I got some answers from Abhigyan, like for A in range, Okay. But here we are learning something new, so you have to use list over here. Probably. What is list? Any idea? What is list in Python?
I'm storing.
List is something like it's a data type which will store the values, which will store multiple value at a time. Okay, first of all. So like Miss, I know it. I just don't know how to explain it. Okay, fine, not an issue. Like we have data type, like you have integer, which will hold the number values, right? Which will hold 1, 2, 3 for n value. You have float data type, which will hold decimal value like 1.2, 0.5 or something point value, correct? Then you have string, which will hold your alphabets. Like if I want to write my name, Sabha, so I have to take a string. This is known as a string data type, okay? It will hold my name. It will hold the alphabets in. But if I want to add the name of, let's suppose, roll number of 100 students, so I will not create 100 variable like A is equals to 1, then B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3. No, 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 no. It will consume a lot of memory of my thing. So rather than going for that, what we'll be doing, we will create a list. Like when we go out for the market, then also we create one list, whatever the items or we want to buy from purchase from the market, right? So that same thing, we can create a list over here. What list will do? You are holding only one list in your hand, but it includes multiple items in it, right? In the similar way, you can create a list like the way here you have the flyer list, okay? The flyer, and then is equals to, it's a list, so it would be the values would be in square brackets like this, okay? And you can add as many numbers, as many values as you want, like 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 till 100,000, so on. Okay. So what I'm doing over here, I'm holding the whole value, this all the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, 10 in single variable only. Here I'm not creating 10 variable for 10 values. No, I'm storing all the 10 value in the single box. It's like single box, which is a big box, and it can hold 10 values in it. Got it? So whenever I'm printing the flyer, let's suppose if I'll print the flyer, I would be getting 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever number I will add over here, I would be getting all the things. It will not remove any number. But if I just keep it like this now, like if I'll say F is equals to 1, then F is equals to 2, and then I will print it, it will not show me 1. It will show just 2 for me. This thing, it's an integer. It can hold only one value at a time. Okay, only one value at a time. And it will update, it will show you the last one which you had feed it to it. But list is something, if I say F is equals to inside the bracket, let's suppose I am adding number 1 to 100. Okay, let's keep it 1 to 10, all the numbers I had added. So now if I print this list over here, it will not show me only 1. It will show me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the numbers. You got the difference between an integer and list? Like list can hold multiple value at a time, storing a data in order. Yes, storing a data in order. Perfect. In a given order, it will store. And it holds same type of values. Like it's a collection of same type of value, like your items. So you can add number. You can add the name of the students. Like suppose we have 100 of students. You will not create name 1, name 2, name 3. No. You would be creating name as a list, and then inside that list you can take a list box like this. This is the way to represent the list, like it will show your computer it is a list. And then you can write like first name is S inside double quotes. Then to separate them you have to put comma. Then second name is A, Okay, like this. Then let's third name is C. So like this. Because the names are your alphabets. That's why you're putting double quotes around it. But your numbers are not alphabet. You don't have to put double quotes. Things are clear so far? Are you getting my point or not? Yes or no? Hmm? Yes, ma'am. Okay, got it. So in the next class, like it is already time of now, 7 exact. So in the next class, we will be working on a new one, that is energy crisis, unit 4. But you have one homework, that is level number 29. You have to solve this level number 29 using 10 number, like one less number of steps, whatever we had done, right? So this is your homework. Yeah, a little confusing. Once you will start using that thing, then it will get handy for you. Then you will be able to understand. Okay, Julie? A little, like it's like a simple list of your like when we go out for the shopping, we create on the single paper only. You write all the names. I want to buy eggs, chicken, breads, and all these things. Right, on the single paper, you're keeping all these things. You will not create different papers on, like on one paper you will write egg, another paper you will write chicken, then third paper you will write bread. Will you do this thing? Then you will end up with creating a whole book for the simple shopping list, right? So the smart thing was what? You will write all the name on the single paper. So this is what we are doing here over here as well. We are keeping all the same data, all the name in a single variable. Rather than keeping in different boxes, you are keeping all of them in a single box. That's it. Okay, Vishwajit is on level 33. Then I hope so, Vishwajit, you're getting 3 stars in all of them, and you can help us for to get the same in tomorrow's session. Okay, so Vishwajit, I want answer like the answer of 29 from your end only. Then I can expect answer of 29th one from your end with 3 stars. Okay, so yeah, learners, that's it for today. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time, and we have the challenge to complete level number 29 with 3 stars. Okay, all the best. Bye bye.